today we're going to discuss same law of cosine pa rin, but the given is side, side, side. So in this case, we have a given, this is an example of oblique triangle. We have side, side, side. Understood? So in this case, we're going to use, actually we need to solve for a angle. O, mamili na lang kayo kung anong klaseng angle yung isusolve nyo. A, B, or C. Kasi wala naman tayong choice eh. So anong gusto nyo? So A na lang. So cosine A, so gamit tayo ng formula. Cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. So pag ganyan, again, yung given muna. Given muna ha. So sulat natin yung given. So ang given natin tatlong side lang. A, what is our side A? What, if you want to answer, please raise your hand. Oh yes, Ian. How about B? Ay, pabigyan nga ng choice na sumasagot. Oh yes na. 5. How about C? What is C? Oh, yung naka-jacket. 8. Okay, madali lang naman malaman, di ba, yung side? Ano natin dito natin? Opposite. So in this case, kunin natin to. O makinig. So we have cosine A is equal to, what is B? Substitute lang B squared, which is 5 squared. Next. After nyan, C squared, which is plus 8 squared. O, tandaan nyo kasi, yung mga letter, pinapalitan ko lang ng number, substitution. Next, minus. What is A? 7 squared. Over 2. What is B? Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. That is means multiplication. Kasi di ba pag magkakadikit means multiplication. 5 times 8. So in this case, what is 5 squared? 25. What is 8 squared? 64. What is 7 squared? 49. 7 times 7. What is 2 times 5? Times 8. 80. So, 25 plus 64. Di ba? 20 plus 60. 20 plus 60 is 80. 5 plus 4, 9. 89. 89 minus 49. 40 over... Oh, ano itong 40 over 80? Pwede natin makancel yung 0, oh. Magiging 4 over 8, which is 1. Divisible sila parehas. Ang greatest common factor na ay 4. Oh, 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. Kaya 1 half. 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4, 2. So, saka natin yan ilalagay ito. So, cosine A is equal to 1 half. O, anong gagawin natin dito? Arc sine. So, gagawin nyo dyan, A is equal sa calculator, ano yan? Shift cosine, tapos 1 half. Sige nga, ano sagot? Cosine, negative 1, tapos 1 half. What is the answer? Ilan? So, A is 60 degrees. O, nasa na yun? This is 60 degrees. Madali lang, di ba?